Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your PI network account permanently. PI network is a mobile crypto mining app that allows users to mine PI coins daily. However, some users may want to permanently delete their PI network account due to the privacy concern, multiple account inactivity or the personal reason. And in this video I show you how to delete your PI network account permanently step by step. The most important before deleting is once you open to your PI network account is deleted, your PI balance will be lost. You cannot recover the account and you cannot use the same account data. So make sure you really want to delete it, and after that open to your PI network app here, and once you reach into this dashboard of the PI, in the top left we can see there's a 3-line icon. Select to this 3-line icon here, and over here what you can do is select to this profile all the way to the bottom here, and once you reach into this profile, scroll a bit down until you find the account deletion here, and simply beside it we can see this option for the see how. Select to the see how, and what you have to do is simply type down your username below to confirm the deletion and tap on the delete, and your account will be marked for the permanent deletion. And that's how you can delete your PI network account permanently. Always think carefully before deleting because this action cannot be undone. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.